How's everybody doing? My name's Rago with Rago Fabrication. Today I'm going to show you the installation video for the first gen Toyota Sequoia gas tank skid. Let's get started. To begin this install video, it's probably the simplest thing to do in the world. We provide the carriage bolts that you're simply going to insert from the inside of the gas tank, and then you're going to take the respective brackets here and put in the bolts all along the way. So we're going to start with this bracket here, and this is powder coated, so it's a little tight. And so we're going to go and put that in there, and we're going to install this first bolt. Now the brackets are designed to be adjustable here. So what we can do is go ahead and tighten up the bolts, and then we're just going to back out the threads, a couple threads here. Hey guys, what's going on? So we wanted to skip the step to take off the factory gas skid because it's exactly the same as installing this but reverse. So we have the bolt holes. We're going to use all the factory bolt holes with these 8mm bolts that come in the kit. And we're simply going to bench install this like we showed earlier and slide it all the way up. Now, you can get a friend. I'm going to show you that it's not necessary, but if you're skinnier than me, it might be a little bit harder because I'm using my body to help hold this up. That's started in, and then I'm going to come over here and put in this bolt here. These should be loose so you can adjust them. Let's see, maybe I'm gonna try the other side first. We'll start with this one here. The electric ratchet will be your best friend. That's it. Easy peasy.